Today I will be doing a tutorial on how to do a basic Google search for research purposes. So you're going to want to start by getting on to Google and getting onto the home search page. Once you're here, you should be on this page. You're going to want to click on the text box and you're going to want to search any topic that you are interested in researching. For today's video, I will be doing AI. So we're going to start with just the broad topic of AI. So I'm going to look up artificial intelligence. And as you can see, I have gotten a lot of different websites, videos, all relating to AI. And this is a good starting point, but for research purposes, you typically want to get a little more narrowed because this is a lot to be looking at. And if you click on this tools tab right here, you can see that I have a lot of search results. So I'm going to show you how you can narrow this down to find better articles for your research. So you're going to want to click on this tools tab and you're going to want to hit advanced search. And it should take you to this page and you'll have all these different little boxes. You can add specific words that you want in your articles. In this box right here, any of these words, you can add multiple words with or in between, and it'll find different articles with at least one of those words in it. With this, if you want to make sure that you want to make sure that there isn't something in any of your results, you can put words in here to make sure they don't pop up in your results. And this is for numbers, so if you have any numbers you want to put in. For the purposes of this, I'm just going to put, in the exact word or phrase, I'm going to put in the classroom. And for any of these words, I'm going to narrow it down more by putting in the benefits or drawbacks. And after that, you're going to hit advanced search and you should get articles now relating to artificial intelligence. I should be getting articles relating to artificial intelligence in the classroom with the benefits or drawbacks. And as you can see, that's exactly what I'm getting. And if we look at our tools tab again, we can see that the number of results have gone down. And if I want to make it even more narrow for research purposes, I can go back and I can go to region and I'll change it to the United States for the purposes of this. And in any research, it's always nice to have results from recent times. So I'm going to change the last update from any time to the past year. So all of my search results will now be from articles from the United States from the past year. So now I have way less search results than I started with, and now I will be able to find articles that will relate to what I'm trying to research. And that is a basic tutorial on how to do basic research. Yeah.